What's going on, YouTube? I just want to do a quick video here and show you guys what I've been spending my time in the garage doing as of recently. I put a ton of work into the E30 over the summer, and I got everything done as far as mechanical things. So the car runs great now. The rest of the things I want to do to it are just pretty much throwing money at exterior mods and motor mods and stuff like that. So but yeah, so anyway, what I've been doing now, since I got everything done that I want to get done before the winter on the E30, one of the things I've been doing now is been doing a lot of welding. I went to Harbor Freight and picked up a new MIG welder right there on their Black Friday sale. Got it dirt cheap. And I got my stick welder there. I'm pretty set with being able to weld whatever I need to with those two welders. I'm by no means a trained welder, professional welder, but I just wanted to show you guys some of the things that I've done in the past and give you an idea of what I'm going to be doing in the very near future. So yeah, so here, as you can see, obviously this is sort of like an AR-15, like sort of like M16 variant that I made. If you look closely at it, these goggles off here, this is actually a shaft off of a weed whacker. It runs the whole way through here. This is a big spring for something. These are parts off of like a bicycle handlebars. And then the rest of it is just all pieces of metal that like stock steel that I welded together. And this was before I had the MIG welder, so this was all stick welded, and just sort of did it as a project to learn and get better practicing at welding, and it came out pretty cool. So yeah, that's that. And then most recently I just finished this bike here. At least I think I'm finished on it. I can get it to focus there. And the idea, the concept behind this was sort of like a Mad Max style bike, but with an electric motor. So as you can see, that's an electric motor. I have an old drill, and I put a little fuse in there. So yeah, it's really fun. I put this little gas cap on it. You can see there on top of the tank. So yeah, that one was really fun. And then a while ago I did this clock, which is, it's actually sort of an oddball parts on it. This is a drilled rotor from a GoPed scooter. This is a sprocket from another, I think a bike, and then this is a sprocket, smaller sprocket from another scooter, and then it's got a battery powered clock kit in it. And then that's a suspension off of this little mini bike I had. So that's another project they did. And then that really didn't require much welding. Just welded the sprockets together, really. I did a lot of bolting stuff on. And then this little guy I did. And this is just a little windmill. I shaped the actual windmill part. I cut the metal and shaped that out and stuff. But yeah, this top piece doesn't actually spin, but I made one for my mom for Christmas that was about, I don't know, like 3 foot tall maybe, and it was actually had bearings in it, and the top piece spun around 360, and then this obviously spun too when the wind hits it and stuff. So this was just sort of a mini version I did after the fact. And then I also made another motorcycle like this for my stepdad that I gave to him for Christmas. So yeah, most of this stuff I just make because I enjoy doing it, and then I pretty much just give it away. So yeah, what I'm going to be doing today is finishing up this motorcycle. You can see here, this is what I mount a lot of stuff on. I like to use these things. I always pick them up when I see them. A lot of times I get them for free at flea markets, or like these unfinished ones here. I got these for 50 cents a piece at the flea market. I got this real big one, different sizes and stuff. And then these, like a lot of like cheap, like Chinese, like porcelain, you know, stupid sculptures or whatever come on these, and they come with the set, so you would sit like a nativity scene on them or something. So I always grab these when I see them. Yeah, like this says dueling bucks. Dueling bucks. So as you can imagine, there's probably some deer fighting or something on this one at some point. So anyway, I think I'm going to use this size here for the motorcycle. This guy here fits pretty good. And then what I'll do is I'll raise it a little bit so it sort of hovers like that. So I think thinking about using something like this. I'm not sure exactly what I want to do yet, but I was thinking about just doing it just like that, welding it right inside the two pieces of the frame, and then this has a hole in it, you can see, so I drill a hole straight down through there and then use a little nut and bolt to keep this in place, and then the bike will be welded to that. So yeah, I think that's going to be what I'm going to try and do that right now. Not bad, not bad. I think that'll work. Well, as you can see, I gotta get this little nut here. I gotta get this little nut inside this while it's planted on the base, so it's being a real pain in the butt. So I guess I'm gonna take this nut and stick it inside here and then weld it, so that way it doesn't move around while I'm trying to thread it in. Alright, so as you can see, I got that bad boy in there on a vise with a pair of vice grips. So I am just going to stick a little tack weld on it and send it down the road. Alright, stick that guy in there. Sweet! Damn it. Alright, there she blows. I think I'm gonna call that totally done. I think it came out pretty good. It's not perfect, but it's not supposed to be, and I'm still learning to weld. So yeah, if you like it, drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you can offer up any constructive criticism and things that you might notice that I could do better, definitely drop me a line in the comments. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, because like I said, if you like this kind of stuff, I'm going to be doing lots more videos, lots more sort of how-to videos. So yeah, so like I said, if you like this kind of stuff, definitely subscribe, because I'm going to be doing lots more of it. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace.